Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time coming across my video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also give this video a thumbs up if you like this video. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming to my channel. Thank you for your support, thank you for the love that you showed me. God bless you all in Jesus' name. Amen. So today I'm going to be modeling African bride, a man and a woman. So I'm going to show you guys the process, although I've already started, but from the beginning I didn't want to do the video because the video is going to be so long, because I tried to make my video to be short. So that's why I normally start and show the video maybe later, like at the end. Yes, I'll show you guys what I did. And what happened is, oh my god, say it's hard now. So that's it. That's the woman. So I haven't put the hand yet, so I'm going to be doing that. That's the woman. What happened is it fell down and it broke. The neck actually broke, and I tried to glue it, so I didn't want to start all over again because I'm going to cover it anyway. So if you can see the neck, I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, you see the neck. I can easily take this one out, the body. So they are dried now. So I did it like yesterday morning, so they are very dried. That's what I'm going to be doing. So I'm going to wear them their dress, while the lady is very African dress, like putting gele, the man. Okay, so yeah, we'll start together now. Hello guys, I'm done with the modeling of the bride, the man and the woman. Sorry guys, I didn't show you guys some parts. So my battery was camera battery was very weak, so I had to charge it, and I need to continue the bride and the man and the woman, so I have to continue. Show you. Yes, there. I don't know if you guys can see it clearly. It's very bright. I think it's because of the light. Yes. That's it. Yeah, that's the outcome. What did you guys think about it? The woman wanted to fall. Oh my god, let me just drop. So what did you guys think about it? If you can comment it down below and tell me what you think about it. So you can rate my work, guys. Rate my work. Okay guys, so I'm going to see you guys on my next video. Thank you guys for always coming to my channel. Thank you for your love, for the support. Thank you for everything. Thank you. I wish it's not you guys, I wouldn't have been to where I am now. So thank you guys. Don't forget to share, comment, and if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye. I love you.